My name is Janet Mulligan, and I welcome you to my brand new Deems kitchen. The kitchen prior I also loved, but it wasn't as functional. I'm delighted with the new kitchen. It's just everything that I hoped it would be. It's so functional, beautiful too. I don't mind being in the kitchen cooking. It was a very unique experience that I didn't expect. I didn't expect him to give me as much guidance as he did. I expected to flounder around.
I'm Tyler Deem. I'm the owner of Deems Kitchens and Counters. So Deems Kitchens and Counters is a third generation family owned and operated local company here. We've been serving Citrus County for over 50 years. Proud to continue that legacy on every project we do. To make your house your home and make your kitchen your dream kitchen, you want to make it what you want to wake up to and be a part of and interact every single morning. Before even talking about cabinets and countertops, it's talking about what does your family structure look like? What is important to this family as they completely transform their home and their primary living space in the kitchen. Every remodel that we do is special to me.
Hello, my name's Jeff Fuller. I've been with Deems for 20 years as a kitchen designer. I'll be honest, the original design for this kitchen was more of a peninsula design. We picked out the countertops together. I put out a fabrication plant to make sure we had those right. The refrigerator was in the corner and banging on the wall, so that was a big thing, was to move that in. We got pull-out tray holders, we got pull-out trash cans, we got big deep drawers, trying to utilize all the space and make it very functional for the customer. And then it was all installed by our professional designers, and it's come out beautifully.